Okay, Becky, what are we doing?
Dying.
We're going up the Ascent Trail at Blackcomb right now. And we have gone 1/3 the way.
Maybe not quite yet.
And it's hard.
It is.
But there's lots of nice steps everywhere. There's a river, and I've never done it, so I'm excited to be here. So let's go follow Becky. Bye.
What's my morning? Oh yeah, without a little y'all, just sitting on my lawn, watching the deer go by. Another morning, just another wave to ride, floating upstream, living in my dreams, so nice. And I keep my cool for
We're
you.
halfway, and
And I keep
Becky's a
my
little winded.
cool for you. What's my life? Oh yeah, without a little June, without the sunshine, the blues. No. You see, well, I don't see the point without you by my side, without the people that I like. Oh yeah, I think about
Okay, we did it! We completed the Ascent Trail. Woo!
But I keep my cool for you.
Now we get to down
cool for you.
Down with the gondola. Here we go. Or roll down. Take that side by side. We want to say goodbye to Mousy, mushrooms, flowers, hiking buddies up there.
And I keep on storming. No matter rain or shine, I'm there for you.
That was nice. See you next
I
time.
keep my cool for you.
Bye, Becky.
I keep my cool for you.